Welcome to a brand new episode of Limelight featuring India's most admirable brands by The Brand Story. We aim to provide an ideal platform to every brands and leaders to ensure the most exclusive, interesting and effective storyboard for their achievements over the years. Limelight is a unique form of television programming initiative that help a company to establish itself as a thought leader in the respective industry category. Today we will be showcasing the journey of various brands which have been selected on the basis of image, impact and innovation. Our next brand is leading global provider of elevators, escalators and related services. Its innovative environment-friendly access and transit management systems makes an important contribution to mobility in urban societies. Let's watch an exclusive interview of Mr. Ashok Ramachandran, CEO, who will take us through the journey of Schindler India Private Limited.
So Schindler is a Swiss company. We were established in the year 1874, listed company in the Swiss Stock Exchange, but we're still a very proudly Swiss-owned organization where the majority of the shares is owned by the two big families, and that is a very unique differentiation for us. We are a mobility provider. We move more than 1.5 billion people per day. We are present in over 80-90 countries. We have more than 60,000 employees. When we're talking about mobility, we are into elevators, escalators, transit management, moving walks, and in terms of the IoT space as well. So it's predominantly the key products that we focus on. One of the most common features we offer is our 2-hour fire-rated doors. The market usually offers 1-hour fire-rated doors, but we go beyond that and we offer 2-hour fire-rated doors. 100% many of our materials are recyclable. After every elevator is installed, it is the safety and the quality check that we use is a very, very thorough 80-point check, which is industry first, because this offers peace of mind and comfort to our consumers that our products are safer than what they can use anywhere else in the market. Now, this is a very emotional connect for many of the consumers we have worked with, where they say that they want to buy a Schindler because it's different in the way it looks. It looks classy, it looks premium, it looks safe, and it is vibrant. We have quite a lot of sustainable efforts we have put in the manufacturing side, including using recycling the waters, the materials that we have recycled, the solar panels that we have, which helps us to give a big part of the energy that we consume in the factories. So overall, it's a variety of values that we can offer to the consumers. We have this whole campaign about we elevate, and from that fact comes a mission that we want to make sure that we elevate our employees, our customers, and the planet by providing sustainable, innovative, forward-thinking products and service that helps people to be at peace when they use our products. The most important thing right now is to make sure that we continue enhancing the Internet of Elevators, which is the Schindler Ahead product, with our predictive maintenance with the Schindler Internet of Things. We would know the problems before you know about it. We'll fix the problem and we will inform you in real-time basis. Another important innovation which we want to make sure also becomes a huge success is the digital out-of-home service. So when we talk about the future innovations of Schindler, what I'm very proud to talk about is what is called as a robotic installation that we have introduced in the market. When we talk about urban mobility in the world, it's about tall buildings. And then you have a concept of using robots which helps you inside the elevator shaft to put the rails, to make sure that we have unsafe acts being done by the robots, which helps to improve safety, efficiency and bring innovation and precision from a quality perspective. And we've also launched a third-party company along with Schindler and Microsoft to combine to launch a company called Building Minds, which is a complete building solutions company. I think innovation is also not just about the products, but it's also about the people innovations that we're working on. If you talk about an elevator, unlike a car, which comes fully manufactured and you drive it out, elevator depends a lot on the quality of installation and the quality of maintenance. So we have, for that reason, established 4 training centers in India Bangalore, Noida, Pune and Mumbai. And we've gone beyond just providing technical training. We've also opened a techno-commercial, what we call as a Schindler University. Apart from the fact, we also don't subcontract our maintenance. We do it through our own trained employee workforce. I think it's really important that we have to look at how do we make sure we are sustainable and relevant, not just in the current age, but also in the future. So we're constantly working in terms of making as less as possible a carbon footprint in wherever we are working. Our products, for example, the gearless machines, use 30% less power than conventional machines. We have our belt system, and the whole product itself is designed in a way that it uses less power than what is required. Our escalators, for example, have the Eco Line mode, where the customer can decide to put sensors where only when it senses passengers coming nearby, it switches on and uses power. We can use the same even in our elevators with our port technology, where lifts can be put on eco mode, wherein they're not using any power when nobody's using the elevators. So Schindler has 5 core values, and these are something that we don't want to just put on the wall, but we want to live and breathe on these 5 core values on a daily basis. The first and the most important is safety. The second one is creating value for customers. The third one is commitment to people development. The fourth one is integrity. It's making sure that we comply with all the laws of the country, of the land, and make sure that we don't do anything that can break the trust of the customers and stakeholders that they have on Schindler. Finally, probably laying the foundation for the organization is quality of the products and services. I want to thank Brand Story for presenting Schindler with the India's Most Admirable Brand Award.
Thank you for watching today's episode. We will be back soon with more brand stories.